Hello guys and welcome back to GoStack. Today we will learn how to add to favorites on Filmora. So, as you see here we have working tabs like effects, audio, templates and so on. If we want to add something to favorites, right-click on it and then click Add to Favorites or simply by click the star button. But you have to log in to Filmora first in order to make the favorite pack. Same on the others. If you want to see your favorite folder, click Mine tab here. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.